So the word for today is jump. Either jump, skip, hop, hoppity bop. I don't know, one of those, right? The word jump in Thai is กระโดด Hold on. Here we go. กระโดด กระโดด. All right? กระโดด. Okay? Try to say that. กระโดด. If you can't roll the tongue, just say กระโดด กระโดด. It's the same thing. Nobody care. All right? Just say that. But if you want to be, if you want to learn proper Thai, then you just say กระโดด. Okay? Now, how to use that in a sentence? Well, that's why I'm here. Let's do it. First sentence. ผมชอบ ผม means I for a guy. I for a guy. Anyway, I is ผม or ฉัน ฉัน in a, man, in the real world, when you create a conversation, you say ฉัน right? But the written word is ฉัน. I'm gonna make it easy, so I'm just say ฉัน. I don't know. You can practice ฉัน if you want to. But it's the same. ฉันชอบ ชอบ mean like. Okay? ฉันชอบกระโดด mean I like jumping. Maybe something wrong with you. I don't know. I don't, but unless you do, you like jumping. So I said, hey, ฉันชอบกระโดด or ผมชอบกระโดด. Okay? ผม is a guy. Guy calling yourself ผม if you're a female or any other gender, or even guys, you can say ฉัน too. ฉันชอบกระโดด. Okay? ฉันชอบกระโดด means I like jumping. Now, if you like to jump in the water, you can say ผม or ฉันชอบกระโดดน้ำ น้ำ means water. It can be a lake, it can be an ocean, it can be a bucket. ฉันชอบกระโดดน้ำ ฉันชอบกระโดดน้ำ means I love jumping in the water. Okay? It's easy. Yeah. Next one. กระโดดเชือก กระโดดเชือก mean jump rope. Remember? ผม or ฉันชอบกระโดดเชือก means I love jump rope. I love to jump rope. Why would anyone love to jump rope? I don't get it. But anyway, I just like to plant my feet on the ground and just do nothing. I'm just lazy. I would say ผมไม่ชอบ ไม่ชอบ mean I don't like it. ผมไม่ชอบกระโดดเชือก Unless you like it, then you say ผม or ฉันชอบกระโดดเชือก. Okay? That's how you use it in a sentence. Let's see what else you can do with jumping. The word jump. กระโดดกอด mean jump and hug someone. You haven't seen a person for a long time, Someone that, been waiting like 20 years to see you, and then you just show up at the airport and they run over and jump and hug you and say, finally, you can pay me back. You still owe me money. กระโดดกอด means jump and hug at the same time. You see those in a movie. Yeah, maybe you can try that in real life and tell me how it goes. All right, man. Next one is, jeez. กระโดดเตะ Oh, God. Jump and kick at the same time. Yeah. You got drunk and you decide to practice your Muay Thai on someone, right? You jump and kick at the same time. That's กระโดดเตะ. The cop's like, what do you do to that guy? He said, ผมกระโดดเตะ. Yeah. Well, you know what? That's how to use jump in a sentence. Okay? I'm going to keep this one short. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. My name is Bodo, and I'll see you next time. Peace!